Hi, my name is Roland from BuddhaBox. Today we're going to go through our first series number 1, unconventional training. First, mobility, and then a simple core workout. Alright, let's do it guys. First, the setup. Make sure your knees hip width apart, same as your feet. Your hands shoulder width apart, gazing the top of your fingers, nice and straight, neutral spine, don't try to curve, don't try to tuck under, but let it float neutrally. Options, now I'm going to focus number 1 on your upper body, all right? Focusing on your shoulders. First, I'm going to move some retraction and protraction. So retraction, I'm going to gaze the floor, retract my shoulders, and then I'm going to protract. Retract, protract. All right guys, after your shoulders retraction, protraction, I'm going to focus on the external and internal rotation of your shoulders. Focus on the crease of your elbow. I'm going to turn them out first for 1 second and then turn them back in. Try to sync your breathing with movement too. Okay, with me. Inhale, turn them out. Exhale, turn them in. Inhale, out. Back in. Focus on your elbows out. And back in one more time. All right, folks, let's focus now on the lower body. Focus on my ankle. I'm gonna start with some ankle mobility. You see, I'm flat-footed or on top of my toes. I bring my toes up, bring it back down, toes up, nice and steady, slide, bringing it back up. All right. All right, back to our lower limbs. This time, last portion, the hips. Very important, guys, all right? Let's start first with toes on the floor. This is your neutral stance. I'm going to move into the pelvis tilt. So now your pelvis tilting backward, forward, backward, forward, backwards. You want to bring your belly button to the sky, backward. I want to bring my tailbone under. And repeat one more time, curve, tailbone under. Finally, we're gonna get part 1, 2, and 3 together. All right, so first guys, make sure your both hands are grounded. Keep pushing into the floor, eyes gazing into the floor, top of your fingers as a target. You can be on your toes or you can be on top of your toes, it's up to you guys. And now we're gonna start the inhale, we're going to curve your back, and exhale, we're going to show and form an angry cat, okay? It's called the cat-cow as well in different other discipline. Let's go, toes up, grounded. I inhale, eyes gazing up. I tuck my belly button into the sky. Exhale, angry cat, angry cow. Inhale, gazing up. Exhale, gazing down. One more time. Pay attention to your pelvis and the whole flow going up from the crown to your tailbone. Inhale, gazing up. Exhale, gazing down. Relax.